Hi Kareena, hi Imran. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Okay. Imran has always told me that he was in awe of you.
Oh God.
So did you ever feel that when you started working with him?
Well, he didn't.
Behave like that?
Yeah, he didn't behave like he's in awe of me at all.
On the first day, I said, "Madam, make autograph."
What rubbish?
Actually took autograph.
Sound like that. Oh.
Nee, yeah. You know, she's. I mean, we've all watched her on screen, and everyone has obviously loved her, and there's all of that. But when I actually met her, and we arrived on set, and we were setting up for the first shot, very quickly I forgot about the star and all of this because she doesn't carry that baggage with her.
No attitude.
Yeah, there's no attitude. It's like she herself doesn't care about it, and she's forgotten that I am famous, I'm successful. That she doesn't carry that with her on set. Very chilled out.
Talk about Karan. He always says that no one knows gossip like Kareena. So did she give any Bollywood gossip? And you are the worst in that area.
I think he was talking about himself.
Yeah.
Well, he always says that.
That's where all the information comes from.
You know, he's always told me that, but Karan has always told me more gossip than she has.
Really?
I've always heard a lot more gossip from him.
And you're very low on the gossip quotient, right?
I'm the last person to hear about things. I get very excited. I love to hear it, but I always find out like 2-3 months later.
He likes to hear it.
But I find out 2-3 months late. So I hear something.
He likes gossip, is what you're saying.
Yeah, of course I love it.
All of them do. All guys do more than women. In fact,
Come on,
women
no.
don't have as much interest as the guys do. Trust me, you said that.
Yeah, I love to hear it. The problem is that I hear it so late that by the time I get it, it's stale. And I've never understood who I should catch on.
So who do you check with Ranveer? Because he's the other one who Karan always talks
He's also
about.
very good. He has.
He's the man.
Yeah. He has solid gossip. Karan has solid gossip. But they tell me like, bro, you don't know? This happened last year, man. 4 months ago. I'm like, really? Wow, I just found out.
Have you ever
I still
heard
enjoy
anything about Imran? And later check with him like, this is what I heard about you.
Come on. Something about Imran is like...
He's so good.
Yeah.
Achha, tell me something. As Zoom, you guys deal in the business of Bollywood gossip.
Yeah.
Have you heard gossip about me?
Not really.
You're in the business.
Maybe we haven't used the gossip. We've been very nice to you.
You're in the
Can't
business.
hear anything about Imran. I mean,
You're in the business of
Probably we
gathering.
know something and we're not telling you, Imran.
You're in the business of
We'll
gathering.
break a story
news
on you
and
next week. How's that?
gossip. Theek hai.
Karina will call you and tell you that, look, we are
please
doing
do
this.
that, yeah. He's getting a boring image now.
Yeah.
Imran,
I should do something, no? Kya karoon?
come on, just 10 days before the release.
Yeah, let's create a controversy.
Should I fight or should I steal something?
Steal से कुछ नहीं होता है. Steal से क्या? Fight, some quote, say something about the way someone is looking. That's it. You've done it.
That's not so
That's it.
interesting. Let's
Yes.
do something little more. I'll start a fight. I'll fight with someone.
Karina, how different is Imran? On camera and off.
On camera, he doesn't tell me his famous jokes, which he does off camera, which I think in the
You
industry
don't
are going to
appreciate-
become really famous.
You
very
don't
soon.
appreciate my
I
jokes.
have to know one of those jokes.
Yeah,
What is
they're
it?
like they're
And maybe
fab.
fall down laughing.
I'm sure he's going to be telling all his co-stars that, and eventually the whole industry is going to be talking about this.
So Imran,
I missed out.
do you ever give Karina any wedding tips? I mean, I'm not talking about when your wedding is. We've just heard that. But like, you know, how is it being married on the other side?
You know, I don't know what tips to give women because ultimately women are the ones who are in charge. They're running the show. So, उनको क्या tips देना है? The tips have to be for the guys. How to survive. Very important thing I've learned, which you should tell Saif this, which is that when you're fighting, if there's ever a fight, which there will be, you can fight for 10 minutes. 10 minutes के बाद, if you have not won the fight, then you are not going to win. Then you have to tell the girl, I'm sorry, I realize I was wrong. Actually, I was not thinking correctly. I thought I was right first, but now I realize you have a very good point.
It's quite a lesson. That's quite a lesson.
Yeah,
Should
he
work
has
with
to
more.
tell this to Seth.
Very handy. And you have to do it in that way also, okay? Actually, maybe you know what? I was not thinking.
Yeah.
You're right.
Just end this damn thing.
I see. I see your point. You're right.
Avantaka really should be watching this.
She knows.
Okay, thanks so much, guys. It was a
Thank you.
pleasure.